Hello everyone, I'm Maureen Dayantinoca Rena Carverscos and I'm going to rap for her some kind of song, so I hope she like it. It goes like this. Yo, put your hands up in the air like this and sing with me, guys. It's easy, I promise. Yo, bahay kubo kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong, sigarilyas at mani, sitaw, bataw at patani, kundol, patola, upot, kalabasa, at saka mayroon pang labanos, mustasa, sibuyas, kamatis, bawang at luya. Sa paligid dito'y puno'y ng linya. English verses, nipahat may nipahat, although it's small, the plants are diverse. Turnips and eggs, wing beans and peas, strong beans, edible, lima beans, white melon, gold, white pumpkin and squash, and still there are more: radish, mustard, onion, tomatoes, garlic, and ginger. All around our lush sesame plant. Yo, I told you. Yo, itong susunod, I swear, masasabayan nyo na siya. Yo, manang biday, ilukat, pumanta, bintanang, kat ikarumba ba nakita kat kinarawan, kat mata, yako, no dinakasyan, liron, sinta, yo, buko ng papaya, dalay, buslo, sisidla ng bunga, yo, pagdating sa dulo, yo, napali ang sanga, kapos ng palara, humanap ng iba. Break it down, yo.